My name is Anna, and I'm the COO and CFO of Owkin. We're a company that's using machine learning to help clinicians and researchers make breakthroughs with machine learning in healthcare. The big challenge in healthcare is that there's a lot of data that's being collected by clinicians and providers, but we're not always able to use it. And the reason for that is because of cost reasons as well as for privacy concerns. And this is where we're looking to use machine learning to bridge this gap. So we've created the technology, Owkin Socrates, which allows clinicians and researchers to be able to train their own machine learning models to answer their own questions from the data sets that they know very well without compromising patient privacy. And that allows the clinicians and researchers not only to gain great insights and make discoveries from the data that they already have, but they're also able to transfer that knowledge to the pharmaceutical industry when it's appropriate and they would like to, without sharing any of the patient data. The challenge of bringing machine learning to clinicians and researchers who do not know machine learning is making it as user-friendly as possible. A researcher might be able to upload 2 data sets, one of which is for good responders to treatment and another one where the response to treatment has not been good, and then figure out the difference in the meaningful biomarkers that are driving the response. So this is something that a clinician would not be able to do without machine learning in certain cases, and this is where we come in. The Launchpad has been incredibly useful for us. 2 years ago, we were a company of 2 founders. At the end of last year, we were 14 employees, and now we're 33. So we're becoming a real company that needs to scale and put processes in place to enable us to continue to grow, to scale, and to share information. This is a big challenge, and this is where the mentorship of Google Launchpad has been particularly useful. And all of the learning that we've had in terms of structuring OKRs, building the company in a sustainable and scalable way, and also the access we've had to top Google talent that are able to recommend interesting papers and directions for our research team. We're thrilled to announce that just last month we had GV invest in our Series A. Thank you so much for your support.